I was utterly amazed when I saw how the simple, natural mixture transformed my chickens, leaving them calmer than ever and boosting their egg production to levels I never imagined possible. Most people don't realize that lice and mites are a constant menace for chickens, draining their energy, weakening their immune systems, and causing endless stress. These tiny pests multiply at an alarming rate, capable of infesting an entire flock in just days. This leaves chickens restless, unable to rest properly, and laying far fewer eggs than they could. The frustration of watching your flock suffer while egg yields drop is something no poultry keeper wants to face. I'm thrilled to share a completely natural, budget-friendly solution to wipe out these pests, ensuring your chickens stay healthy, relaxed, and more productive than ever. I'll guide you through 2 easy-to-use methods that won't break the bank. Start by finely mincing fresh garlic into 200 milliliters of water. This everyday ingredient is a true powerhouse for keeping your coop pests free. Its sharp, pungent smell acts as a natural repellent, driving lice and mites away and slowing their ability to reproduce. Garlic sulfur compounds have strong antiparasitic and antibacterial properties, creating an environment where pests struggle to survive. By adding garlic to your coop maintenance routine, you're not only fighting parasites, but also creating a cleaner, healthier space for your chickens. This simple step can make a huge difference in keeping your flock comfortable and productive. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment and tell me how many eggs your chickens lay each month. Next, pour in about 200 milliliters of vinegar. This acidic liquid is a secret weapon against coop pests. Its high acidity breaks down the protective outer layers of lice and mites, making it nearly impossible for them to survive or reproduce. The sharp, tangy scent of vinegar also acts as a long-lasting deterrent, keeping pests from returning to the coop. Regularly spraying the solution around the coop doesn't just reduce the parasite population, it also sanitizes the area, leaving it cleaner and safer for your chickens. The best part? Vinegar is completely natural, so you're not exposing your flock to harmful chemicals while keeping their home pest free. Then, mix in a tablespoon of kitchen salt. This isn't just a cooking staple. It's a pest-repelling champion in the coop. The gritty texture and saline properties of salt create an environment that lice and mites can't tolerate, driving them away and preventing them from settling in. Salt's natural antimicrobial properties also help maintain a hygienic coop, reducing bacteria and fungi. By dusting or spraying salt regularly, you'll see a significant drop in pest activity, and it helps stop those critters from coming back. If you don't have salt on hand, a pinch of baking soda can work as a great alternative, offering similar pest-repelling benefits. Finally, add a tablespoon of neem powder or oil. This natural ingredient is a highly effective cleaner that targets the dirt and grime where pests love to hide. Neem's bitter compounds disrupt the life cycle of lice and mites, preventing them from reproducing or clinging to surfaces. Its potent antiparasitic and antibacterial properties make it perfect for keeping pests at bay while being completely safe for your chickens. Regular cleaning with neem ensures a healthy, pest-free coop, allowing your flock to thrive in a secure and comfortable environment. To make the solution, combine all these ingredients in a container of water and let it steep for a full 24 hours to let the components blend and maximize their effectiveness. After that, strain the mixture to remove any solid bits. If you prefer a lighter solution, you can dilute it with a bit more water, but it's not necessary. When your chickens are out of the coop, lightly mist the entire area with the solution using a spray bottle. Be careful not to overspray, as you don't want to create puddles that take too long to dry. Within a few hours, the coop will be dry and you'll notice a dramatic reduction in pests, leaving your chickens noticeably calmer and more productive. For another approach, try sprinkling with ash under the straw in the coop. The ash dehydrates the pest bodies, creating an environment where they can't survive. This method is incredibly effective and easy to apply, making it a great backup option. Keeping chickens healthy, happy, and productive requires practical care and attention to their environment. Whether you're new to poultry keeping or a seasoned pro, these essential tips will help ensure your flock thrives and lays high-quality eggs consistently. Provide a balanced diet with high-quality layer feed containing 16 to 18% protein to support egg production, and offer calcium-rich supplements like crushed oyster shells for strong eggshells. Fresh greens like lettuce or kale and occasional treats like mealworms are great, but avoid overfeeding scraps to maintain proper nutrition. Ensure clean, fresh water is always available, as dehydration can quickly reduce egg output and harm health. Regularly check feeders and waters for dirt or mold to keep your flock in top shape. A clean and secure coop is crucial. A dry, well-ventilated coop prevents diseases like respiratory infections and keeps pests like mites at bay. Clean bedding, such as straw or with shavings, weekly to avoid ammonia buildup, which can irritate chickens' lungs. Make sure the coop is predator-proof with sturdy fencing and secure latches to protect against foxes, raccoons, or hawks. Adding perches and nesting boxes gives chickens comfortable spaces to rest and lay eggs, boosting their sense of security. Give your chickens plenty of space to roam. Each bird needs at least 3 to 4 square feet inside the coop and 8 to 10 square feet in an outdoor run. Overcrowding leads to stress, feather pecking, and reduced egg production. A dust bath area with sand or ash allows chickens to clean themselves naturally, reducing parasites. Free-ranging is great if safe, but supervised to avoid predators or toxic plants. Regularly monitor your flock's health. Watch for signs of illness, like lethargy, ruffled feathers, or reduced eating. Quarantine new chickens for 2 weeks to prevent disease spread. Regular deworming and vaccinations, if recommended in your area, can prevent common poultry ailments. Consult a vet if you notice anything unusual, as early intervention is key. Finally, keep your chickens engaged with a stimulating environment. Scatter grains for foraging, add perches at varying heights, or hang a cabbage for pecking fun. Happy chickens are productive chickens, so a stimulating environment boosts their well-being and egg output. By following these tips, your flock will stay healthy, safe, and thriving for years. Got your own chicken tips? Share them in the comments.